It's gotten to the point where every second person in this online world of making money, they're talking about make 10k a month this, make 10k a month that, and okay, I admit I'm guilty of this too. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make not 10k in a month, but how I make well and above 10k every single 2 weeks. Yes, you heard that correct. Not how I make 10k a month, how I make well and above 10k every half a month. So I'm giving myself exactly 15 days to do this. So go ahead and stick around, watch the rest of this video a bit, because if you can't and actually learn the way on how to make money online, I just don't see how you could ever be successful. Okay, so we are currently 5 days into April, as we can see right there. We are currently up to, I just recorded another video on this, so I'll take it to this part, as you can see on my screen. We just achieved my biggest milestone in sales, making 7,245 in 24 hours. Not all of this cash is hitting right away, so I'm not getting paid all of this in like the 1 day time span, if that makes sense. So if we minus that away, we're up to like 4k from just 24 hours itself, like that we're getting paid for that time being. However, for the total 5 days that we are into this video or challenge, whatever you want to call it, we are up to $9,280 in 5 days. And just like that, we're already about to surpass the 10k target for the 2 week period. So the next 5 days, I held my foot in the gas pedal to maximize my sales. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, so we are currently up to the 10th of April, as we can see on my calendar right here. We're 10 days in. I'm going to have to blur out a fair bit of information here. Don't want to leak any information that shouldn't be on the internet. But if we come to my commission trackers for the month, let's just calculate it together, right? So far we did 4,292 last week. This week being Thursday on the 10th of April, we're up to 5,400. And yeah, as you can see, we barely went up. You know, this is just sometimes the nature of sales. I just went ahead and booked out this apartment for the night and today, record some content, take some more sales calls, and just sort of rejuvenate. But this is sort of what we're working with at the moment. I don't know why the exposure is just horrible, but this is the crib. Not bad. The shower, the bathroom. I'll try and show you this view. So if we open this, as we can see, we've got the beautiful view of the city of Adelaide. So really for the next couple of hours, I'm going to film some content, and we've got a sales call at 6 o'clock tonight. Today's looking super rough as well. I've taken 1 sales call today. Okay, and now we're into day 11, the 11th of April today. I'll go ahead and share my phone here so you can see the dates, just so there's no accusations of me faking commissions in certain time frames. All right, there we go. We got it to focus. 11th of April, the proof's out there. We are currently up to $13,778 in commissions for the month of April so far, so 11 days in. So we're doing about 12,250 in commissions a day on average. So we're tracking very, very well, but I'll keep you guys updated and see you over the weekend. So it is now Sunday with 13 days into April so far. Unfortunately, we didn't close any more deals. No more follow-ups came through. As you can see, we just had a bunch of no-shows and yeah, just not many calls and no opportunities in the calendar. However, we're still pushing well and above like 1k per day on average for this month so far. All right, so we're now into day 14. We're about to jump onto a follow-up sales call. We should be closing this client on a $24.8 thousand deal, so a 25k deal. And I think it's going to be 50% down, so 12.4k down, which will take us to like 15 to 16k in commissions into the month of April so far. So let's jump on and see what we can do.
Morning. We have the second video challenge, which is always a joy.
Over in the past week.
Yeah, they gave you love because I've watched most of them before you sent them to me.
Oh wow, so you've done a lot of research. That always helps. Okay, we just hopped off that follow-up sales call. Unfortunately, the deal didn't come through today. However, as you would have seen by the end of the clip, that will be coming through either as a 12.4 or a $25,000 deal, like cash collected for the day. So that should be in by Friday. All right, so it is currently 7:30 on, what's today? It's a Tuesday, 7:30 p.m. We're just wrapping up everything for the day now, and damn man, we're currently up to 16,725 in commissions, and we're 15 days into April. Fucking hell, man. It's just, yeah, it's crazy. 10 months ago, I was on an offer working for a company, and I had the most inconsistent lead flow, inconsistent cash flow. It was insane, man. And I took the plunge, like 5 months ago, into the new company I work for, and shit has changed fast, man. But really quick before we do wrap up, we just closed an 18.8k deal. So as you can see, an $18,000 deal to wrap up the day. Beautiful. Okay, and just like that, we are finishing off the 15 days into April on $16,725 in commissions. Like I was saying before, like it really is crazy when you set your mind to one single thing and have singular focus on one online skill. Life can change super, super quick. It really can. I was making like $3,500 as a carpenter like 2.5 years ago, and now I'm making like 4 months of wage in 2 weeks now. It's unreal. And look, I do work with people one-on-one, like getting into remote sales and high ticket closing. And look, obviously this isn't for everybody. So if you want to have a conversation just one-to-one personally with myself, go ahead to the link in the description down below. Schedule in a call, pick a time, make sure you set it to your time zone and schedule in a time with myself. And I'm happy to have a conversation to see how I can possibly help out and see if this aligns with what you're looking for in terms of making money online. And if not, that's completely fine as well. Feel free to reach out to me on Instagram, watch some of my other videos on the channel, and we'll talk soon.